Before 2020, the most affordable Japanese vehicle in the market was the Suzuki Alto. It happens to be one of the smallest in terms of overall dimension and engine size, which makes it very attractive to city dwellers. This year, however, Suzuki Philippines chooses to replace the Alto in favor of the ongoing crossover SUV trend among Filipino car buyers. Introducing the all-new S-Presso, the newest entry-level Suzuki vehicle in its local lineup, with a 63,000 peso difference from the outgoing Alto. So how does it compare with the model it replaces? Let's find out. First, looks. The Alto, of course, is a basic vehicle and looks like a small critter out on an open road. The S-Presso, on the other hand, is a quirky-looking but cute vehicle that will be able to turn heads. It has a 180mm ground clearance too, so it can tackle those nasty bits on the road a bit better. As for the size, the S-Presso has a tad bigger than the Alto in all aspects, including the wheelbase. With that said, the S-Presso has of course a bigger cabin space than the Alto. When it comes to the shapes and colors inside, the new Suzuki definitely takes the cake. It has more interesting design cues like round air conditioning vents, a more modern looking steering wheel, fancier looking seats, and a touchscreen infotainment system, which is something the Alto 800 lacked and wishes. Its 239-liter luggage space is bigger too, accommodating more of your personal belongings whether you're strolling the city or out on long drives. When it comes to safety features, the S-Presso and the Alto does have the same amount of airbags, 2 at the front, and that's it. But the new Suzuki comes standard with ABS and electronic brake force distribution and rear parking sensors. Also, remember that the S-Presso was built with the new HEARTECT platform that features better impact absorption. The Alto 800, as its name implies, comes with an 800cc engine that produces a measly 47 horsepower and 68 Nm of torque. The S-Presso, on the other hand, makes more with its 1-liter power plant that makes 67 horsepower and 90 Nm of torque. The good news is, just like the Alto 800, the S-Presso is expected to yield fuel efficiency numbers even with the bigger engine. It's no doubt that the S-Presso is an upgrade from the Alto based on specs alone, but that, of course, comes with a price, 518,000 pesos. Is the Suzuki S-Presso going to be your next city car? Let us know in the comments section below.